My neighbor thought I was crazy for picking trash from the dump, so I invited them home and revealed our bathroom project. Now our project is entirely covered by this magical healing plant that every household should grow.
Mambo, my name is Baba T, and this channel may help you to see different approaches towards everyday life challenges.
When new people arrive in your area, they are easy to spot. But when those newcomers start doing things that no one else does, they become even more noticeable. That is what happened in 2017 when we first moved here. The local children were the first to notice us. Therefore, when we decided to upgrade our toilet using plastic bottles, they joined us for the first 2 days. They found it fun and exciting. But soon, their parents intervened, worried about our unconventional methods and rules, of course. With the kids gone, we had to finish on our own, making it a memorable start to our new life here. I didn't like the interior looks of the plastic wall on the inside. Therefore, I covered it and put the natural stones on the shower walls. Now, the patterns on the stones really caught my eyes, and all I need to do is to apply to entire room. But first, I'm going to learn about these patterns, shapes, turns, rounds, and develop the rhythm to my body, and use the same rhythm to apply to the walls, frame of the mirror, the tap sink, and shower floor. While on the outside, I create the grace system where I use the same rhythm to the flow of the water coming from the bathroom through gravels. And resourcing the local plants from nearby stream to purify the water before reaching the garden. If you're still watching up to this point, it will be madness if you are not like, comment or share this video. Please subscribe and keep following this page to see what is coming next. That bond formed with the local children area infused our space with their youthful spirit, creating an atmosphere of joy and creativity. Today, the same energy resonates as our home serves as gathering place for the community and my neighbors. At first, I felt like a stranger to my neighbors, and I knew they must have their own perceptions of me based on my unusual habits. However, as time goes by, our relationship changed and we grew closer. Now it feels natural for me to approach them and ask, when I saw you guys on dump sites at first day and then second day picking bottles, I knew already our street has an addition of new crazy people. I didn't understand you and I wanted so badly to know what you were creating. But today, I've seen it all. This is what it looks like on outside. Bottles are covered now with this plant, bitter melon. This plant hosts a space in homes for so many species. So I'm taking this bitter melon plant to the kitchen for the infusion. Separate the green leaves from the vine. Using slow heat with the clay pot, we are slowly boiling the leaves to infuse the tea. And now that we are waiting, let's take a moment and let's talk about the benefit of this bitter melon plant. So there is a different sources of getting information. The source of information that I'm about to give you is from our online community on social media platforms. I once posted about this bitter melon and everyone started to share the experience about this plant. Once I said this is a must-have plant in your home, this is what I meant. Bitter melon is amazing for diabetes. Dry or use the leaves as tea. The fruit also great medicine. Cook the leaves. That bitter melon leaves is good to add with mung bean stew with a bit of curry powder. The leaves are boiled and the tea ingested for cleansing. We use the leaves as a body scrub, tea, shampoo, and ground up on cuts, bruises. The fruit is used for high blood pressure, diabetes. We consider it a medicine for the kidney, as well as to help purge after birth or during women's menstruation. Leaf can also cause miscarriage, so take care.